See? But do all of that Winford. You know, so the man still sit down and chat me with people. I say, oh, we want to come at my mother's funeral. And this and that. Then killer, you remember when my friend dead? Not even a phone call me no get. Remember say no killer. Nobody life no value no more and no more than no.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them?
People, they have to talk about some people link me now. Big up everybody, you see me? Yeah man, some people link me and I say, yo, Media Fox, you have to talk about this, you know. We talk about the MAVADO and the Cartel and the Bounty and the BUJU Banton link up and one bag of thing. So I say, alright, because you don't know, we deal with the thing already. You don't know when we are push out the information, we have to dig up some root. But people, I want to know pre that video.
Have nothing to do with
so that is the genesis of this feud.
And what I know Winford, after what happened at the club happened, killer still couldn't come tell me condolences for my friend. Him still couldn't look.
So people, remember you know, MAVADO have a friend, you know. Zine. MAVADO have a friend. Zine, and friend get bullied out and thing, and you see me? That friend are usually close to killer, and killer usually send him out and one bag of thing. You see me? But you drop out and MAVADO bridging and thing, you see me? But it's like, you know, MAVADO say yo, old man say yo, condolence to your bridging and one bag of thing, you see me? And you don't know him keep him birthday in the enemy club. You understand? So him wanna pray and say yo, go on and one bag of thing. You see it? But we are play this and make you know here what go on.
I'm a friend, mother, daughter, family, and say simple condolences. I remember say it's a youth where you know to.
So basically I say yo, Bounty killer no reach out to none of the youth them family. Youth where him know where youth where him send out and everything, you know. You see it? Him no reach out to the family and say yo, Ray. You see me? I say condolence and every little thing. You see me? And that him I say, you know.
Because you used to call him out in bed for go pick up people for you or go do whatever for you. And I time killer. And never me I call him out in bed for do that. And I me buy him car. And I you call him for do those things, not me. See?
Yo, your soul life shake up. Imagine people. You have a brother where, you know, you send him out and thing and Ray. This is somebody who you send out and him do things for you and Ray. And imagine that same person they drop out. And no condolence to his family or whatsoever. You see me? I'm over there saying buy the car with the youth and thing. You see me? Show you. But don't know Bounty things stay, you know. Bounty are hypocrite, you know. Plain and straight, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. Plain and straight, man. Cause this is the brother who him send out and Ray. Zane. And the man drop out. You know, condolence to youth, family or anything. You see me?
Says a person that you knew. So how comes you know the man? And then know. Probably if me not even the dog come tell Jamaica this now and tell the earls, then would even know say killer know the youth. It make it seem as if the youth is a stranger.
See it? See him hypocrite thing, you know. Yeah man, I see him hypocrite thing. See him youth where man send out every day for go pick up this and that. When the youth drop out, him act like him don't know the youth. You understand? That's why you see them people get exposed. You see it? Yeah man.
And you never say condolences killer. Remember so the week before it happened, you know. Me and you and the same person, the same you that died. All the way apart. We're up on the beach. I drink. And I reason like we're a friend. And then
Channel. Rough, you know. Yeah man people, it rough man, it rough. Yeah man, that's why I'm tell you, you know, you see in a life. matter what you do for people, you're not gonna know people until you can see them. You understand? Or you're reaching a problems. You see it? Yeah, man, cause you might think say a man where you are look out for and I do them best interest or I do favor for, feel like say yo them rate you and thing. I never know say yo when you're a day come man not even go pull up at your family yard or show no. You understand? See a man where you do things for where you as him say, hey, you just rare. You see me? No gratitude, nothing.
And the next week is like me and the man are enemy. When the thing happened in the club, the man there on him vice in the club. And him not dead there, him not know what happened. You understand, Winford? You don't know what happened, DJ, because you wasn't there. So, oh, you go come and say, ooh, the boy come mash up my party, 30 man, right. Well, nothing not go so. Yeah, listen what them a come tell you from downstairs. See? And then, alright, all of that happen. And come and know how you love chat and how you go on. See? All of that happen. Everything happen, me get charged, me go quote it throughout. See? You still not come say condolences. Remember saying?
Yo, Jano. So basically, to me, what happened? Zine, me feel like say through maybe the party thing, where as Cardi my MAVADO, I say yo, nothing never go so and thing. You see me? So maybe I'll give Killer have up the same youth that time there. You see me? He maybe have him up for that and when him pass when now him rare, but it no matter because of that same youth ya did that do your runnings and all of them look or something there. You understand? Yeah, man.
Killer, when my friend then me call the phone 4 or 5 times, you know, and you still not answer when I call and return one, you know. Me Killer mother drop out. Mama Ivy. You know the whole hour rate Miss Ivy as youth. See? Mother America. Me and Killer not chat. We not deal. And when the man mother drop out the morning, I'm wake up on my ear. It hurt my heart so much. That's me go up on my phone and I say, yo, my brother, respect. You know, condolences. I'm sorry for hear that, but keep your head up, you don't know.
Yo, you so life funny. You see it? And sometimes I wonder you know, why MAVADO and Bounty they end up stop deal. You know. Come here and say, yo, MAVADO always be the youth the way. They there for Bounty, defend Bounty and every little thing. You understand? And look on this. MAVADO bridging drop out. Killer know him. Killer know say yo Ray for your dog and Ray. Yeah, say MAVADO friend maybe Killer never pre him say yo him that close to him or what say but a MAVADO bridging. But what? MAVADO no use that. MAVADO still send a condolence to him mother. You see me to Bounty mother. See him way and say yo rrr and tay. You see me? But people, this are the thing you know. Who remember? Cause I be a hypocrite thing I go on, you know. This unity thing, you know, when you pray it, you know, you have to just shake your head, you know. Zine, cause I want to look on this people. I want to pray about that video.
Speak about the family.
Want to pray that
You
video.
say, yeah man, respect, bless you.
Zine, want to pray that video, people. Zine, so, remember, you know, KALID link up. Zine, music video, you know you have BUJU BANTON, Bounty, KARTEL, MAVADO, Zine. But I want to pre that video. Zine, watch ya. Alright, this are the thing you know. Imagine that day ya. Remember you know. That day ya when BUJU BANTON take the mic out of KARTEL and Zine. Remember you know. In a them time when you can't do that to KARTEL thing you know. You couldn't do that in a them days and age you know. Zine. But it look like them time ya KARTEL thing never so large yet, never bad yet. You understand? Zine. Remember, you know, this was BUJU, you know, same BUJU where I show KARTEL and Ray today, you know. Back then was the same man who had disrespect KARTEL back then I take mic out of hand. And look what after this, you know, people. This are the thing, you know. After all of that, you know, look what happened after this. So, these are the thing, people. Zine. So after you realize him pointing a cartel face like him, I say, yo, you would understand yourself. So imagine Bounty never did it. And him for the on the stage or whatever. Bounty have to say, yo, you can't do that to the youths and certain little things. But remember, you know, people, I go play a next clip. I'm want to know pre-yes or two. You understand? So, that clip ya now. Zine, that clip ya a when Cartel and Bounty a war. Zine, come and tell you say I be a hypocrite, you know. So, Buju, this Cartel take a mic out and Bounty Ray save him. Bounty defend him thing. Then come to turn out now, Bounty and Cartel in a problem. Remember, you know, yo, VYBZ KARTEL this Bounty the wickedest way in a dancehall, you know. That's why I say, yo, when MAVADO really do? When MAVADO really do? Bounty killer him really have him up. You understand? What him do? Like, if you see the man pardon Cartel after Cartel this up him man sing song much song and this up him man wicked, you know. Man get all buckle on stage, you know. Me I tell you, you know, big thing in a dancehall, you know. This Bounty wicked. And look out today now. The man forgive Cartel before MAVADO. MAVADO never really do. MAVADO no this Bounty or anything, you know. MAVADO always the brother they were a different Bounty thing, you know, dog. All when Cartel did left alliance, you know, and a this up alliance, a MAVADO at him. You understand? MAVADO. And so comes Cartel and him start the little war thing. You understand? And for know say, yo, the man forgive Cartel way before him and MAVADO start, right? You see what I try to say? He must say MAVADO groupie and sell out and one bag of thing and Ray. So now him there on KALID today now. Him there on DJ KALID now and thing, you know. But people want to pre that video.
No, what get to him, Eddie, I bring him and stand up against BUJU BANTON one time and miss him, you know. When BUJU grab the mic.
So people, that's why I'm going to play the video first. When BUJU grab the mic. Zine and Rete. And the man I say, yo, you never do nothing. But look here now.
From your 2001 over Portmore, no boy. Yeah, come tell me boy you come from Portmore. Where your Portmore friend them did there when BUJU grab the mic from you?
That is the thing. You see, them time the Cartel thing never really foundation yet. You see me, cause if I did in a modern time, I tell you something would maybe things would have got different. You see me, seem like when Cartel run on and man them attack Ninja Man on stage and one bag of thing. Them time the Cartel thing did a fire up then them time there. But them time you know, with the BUJU thing, them time them never really read. Them time they are Portmore, never thing never really did yet. You understand? Cartel did just a start. Them time they him manager named Butler them. I think a Butler or something like so just carry him to Bounty and Bounty carry him on the stage. You see me?
Me have to say no Gargamel, the youth of today is the man of tomorrow. Only for Cartel. You buy the hands that feed you, you're going to suffer. I gotta go do that.
Yo, Jano, yo, the warrior between Cartel. Yo, when me see that warrior did go on, me think say, yo, the man them nah go deal, bro. Cause the way your Cartel deal with Bounty, bro, and the backline and all, a be a disrespect go on, brother. Me I tell you, be a disrespect go on. And me I say, yo, look there. Look what Cartel do the man. Zine. And the man, can't even forgive MAVADO. You see it, and MAVADO not do what Cartel do, bro. But, me I go show you a next thing. You see me? I show you a next thing. You see?
This man here. No, I have nothing for
Yeah,
the
man,
that
I
is
show you a next thing.
when my friend then me call the phone 4 or 5 times, you know.
So, yeah, man. So, basically, We are play with MAVADO say. And show you how MAVADO thing go.
You still not answer when I call and return one, you know. Me kill a mother drop out. Mama Ivy. You know the whole of we rate Miss Ivy as youth. See? Mother America. Me and kill in a chat. We not deal. And when the man mother drop out the morning, I'm wake up on my ear. It hurt my heart so much. That's me go up on my phone and I say, yo, my brother, respect. You know, condolences. I'm sorry for hear that, but keep your head up, you don't know. What for just be about the family. Him say, yeah man, respect, bless you. I'm glad to hear from you. Right, because me and him not chat all long. I go to Jamaica and I see him and I just hold my head so.
And you didn't chat too long because of the incident at the quad?
Yes. Okay. But because I'm in mother and the respect.
Yo, that me I tell people, you know. MAVADO, no matter what, MAVADO rate bounty, although the man know bounty ways, you know, people. MAVADO know bounty ways, you know. Zine, him know bounty ways. You understand? That's why I say, yo, when I see MAVADO and bounty fall out, bro, I say, yo, where MAVADO could have do this, man? You understand? That me I say, no, people. Where MAVADO could have do this, man? You see it? For him can't really, yo, forgive the brother. Like, me I say, yo, brother, it's a nonsense. Because we cartel do to him worse than when MAVADO do to him, brother. You understand? Because at the end of the day, in the end of the day, brother, here man say, I'm going to make you know hear what him say, people.
I fly go to Jamaica when Miss Ivy are buried. Supposedly buried at the time, and when me reach, is that the funeral day change to a next week. But through I have other engagements. So, I end up have to leave because I have the people I'm sure for go do. Me, send my family and my friend them, where not really in a nothing with killer, a funeral. Because I say, I respect and me can't make it, but I like my family and
So you see it? Remember, you know, the man could have just go away, you know, and not send nobody, you know. But the man send people when not too even in a killer, in a bounty killer, and the man still send them to say, yo, go there for me. You know, sometimes you have some funeral and you say, yo, you know what? I want to go there funeral for represent me. Because man have a show. You see me, him done collect the money and everything already. You understand? So man I say, yo, want to go and show up and thing and deal with this. You see what I try to say? Yeah, man. But here where myself.
friend them for go represent same way because I'm Miss Ivy. I call killer family and send my money and say go buy the biggest wreath. Fee cousin. I send the money to for go buy the wreath and say buy the biggest wreath where you can get.
So you see it? The man tell man say yo buy the biggest wreath. I think there's something there we put on the castic. Like maybe the flowers or something like so. You see me? Seeing? But for sure the man still a go time way people. For still show respect to the man mother. Remember you know, him and the man not too good you know. But the man still show respect. And all the man they want, I want killer. For show him bridging respect. Although killer know the man. Zine. And him usually send out the youth. Him could have say, yo, Jano, you know, say, sorry for hear that, but no. Killer is a man, is a hypocrite move him always a make. And a acron and a go round, like, you understand? For sure, it's a MAVADO still rate the man and still go time away.
I'm going to put for Miss Ivy, because Miss Ivy was a nice lady. See? But do all of that win for. You know, so the man still sit down and chat with people. I say, ooh, I want to come to my mother's funeral.
Yo, you see what I try to tell you? Imagine, you know, remember, you know, this are the thing, you know. For sure, yo. And look out today. The man send out all of this, the man link, yo. Look here, you know. The man link, yo, that's what I tell you. So you see, hypocrite in a dancehall is a dangerous thing. Remember, you know, the man mother drop out and the man link him. See, the man link him and say, yo, heal up a rare. Remember, you know, this a man and the man not dealing, the man couldn't have to say nothing, you know. But for sure, yeah, the man still sit down and I chat the man say him no father and funeral and one bag of thing, people. For sure, yeah. Some of other must, anybody with a feel away, bro. if you know when I say you go to rape, still show the man say yo, me still a give you strength, me still a heal you up. And just for know say your man still a go behind your back and chat you, bro. After all of the thing where you do, send family rare money if you buy this and put pan grave and one bag and the man still for sure say yo, move out with a party the man. You see what me I try to say?
And this and that. Then killer, I remember when my friend dead, not even a phone call me not get. Remember say no killer. Nobody life no value no more than nobody, you know. Not even Bill Gates money can buy a life, you know. Not even the madman who you walk past on the road, that's so. Your money can't buy him life. Because no man can blow breath. So the same way all you feel when your mother dead, so a woman feel when her son dead too.
So basically, the man I say, yo, brother, he must say, yo, him sure gratitude for the man, mother, and everything. You understand? And MAVADO say, alright then, at least the same man where you usually send out, go pick up this and Ray, at least you could have linked the man mother and say, yo, sorry for your son. Or, you understand? Because somebody where him know and him know the family and everything. And that MAVADO I do. You understand? And MAVADO say, yo, John know him can't believe say I saw the man I go on. You see it? That me I try to tell the people. You see me? And I saw the thing said. But look, come up to today now. So people, all of what me just say a while ago, you know. All of what me just boiling down in a 2025 now. The one bag of chaos now. Turn into something where, imagine, all of this we are going. So, Kartel get him visa, Bounty get him visa. Zane, KALID. It take KALID for everybody link up. Music video do and one bag of thing, people. You understand?
You understand me?
One bag of thing. One bag of thing, people. You understand? Yeah, one bag of thing. You see it?
Fear father gone.
But it show you say, yo, everybody are link up here now. See? So, in a 2025 now, people. Zane, link up a guan. You see it? Link up a guan, you know. Zane, watch a video. Alright, this are the thing. You saw live setup, people. After all what happened, you know. Remember, you know, Bounty Killer have a show I go keep in a Barclays. I think at July the 5th. Zine, MAVADO go dep on it. Once, I know say them a link long time, you know, based on over phone. The link for make long time already. I know say Kartel and MAVADO thing. When I see the video and everything, nothing no new. But me I show people how far this thing a come from. You understand? Me just a show people. So, everybody link up now. Because this we are going with MAVADO and everything. This not nothing to do with Unite with Dancehall. You understand? I just some hypocrite move play going back in at the end. And I just a father and the son them a link up back. This not have nothing to do with Dancehall. You understand? I just, when you check it, it's just a hypocrite surround thing. When you check it, just a hypocrite surround thing. DJ KALID now put the whole of them on a track. You understand? Them I do them video and every little thing. Remember, you know, them people are never good, you know. You see me? Back in the days, BUJU and KARTEL never good. Bounty and KARTEL never good. MAVADO and KARTEL never good. KARTEL and MAVADO no good. You understand? And I just saw the thing said, no, today, same thing. Everybody link up now and one bag of thing.
Miami.
I'm going to tell you people, like MAVADO, me seeing Bounty and MAVADO link up, I say, yo, it don't even, because back then, bro, I just Bounty and him ways, brother. Bounty and him selfish ways, dog. You understand? I just bounty on him selfish ways. And he's a brother we just love him, just pick with the strength and everything. I remember, you know, Cartel this him up the most way, you know. And when you check it, him and Cartel good. After that, this up on one bag of thing. You see it? And that's why, this are the thing, you know. And this is the reason why MAVADO did take Alkaline side. Because him see how bounty move and whatsoever. You understand? And him see where him a try do. You see it? And that's why him take Alkaline side too. Cause him see say, yo, bounty a move like some hypocrite move him a play. Seem like how him post Sans Alkaline show where him a go do pan Sans. And post it a talk about Ray, unity and Ray. A hypocrite. So that's why MAVADO say, yo, the man, him think say man, the man good when the man sit down behind him back and a chat. You understand? That me I try to tell you. You see me? Sit down behind the man back and a chat on one bag of thing. You see it? Me I tell you people. I just saw the thing said. You see it? Yeah, so when you don't know video shooter go on and Ray and this thing. But hear bounty him now. Hear him now. Hear me in the background.
Video shoot at the public century.
You hear him? But video shoot at the Ray century. You understand? Yo, Jado. That brother, yeah. A hypocrite brother, you know. Hypocrite. So no realize people. You hear me say? Video shoot at the Ray century. And then he must shake. DJ KALID hand. So basically he must say, yo, DJ KALID, you make this happen, you know. You make this happen. Then know say from me see MAVADO forward out and a big up Cartel thing and I say, yo, free Cartel and Ray. Me know say, yo, when the man they behind bars and thing Ray, him and MAVADO that link over phone and them look or something. Me know the link there, so. You understand? Me know the link there, so. You see it? And when me see MAVADO depend Bounty Killer show, me know say, yo, alright, the man them thing good and Ray. So when me see the link up, me I say, sure. And I really nothing surprising. You understand? And I really nothing surprising. But we know the thing said, yo, let me tell you, over the years, you know, yo, dancehall thing as some hypocrite thing, you know. And me realize that when you hear them talk about unity, I just strength. A strength everybody I use right now. Because look, the Bounty no performing in the US for how long. And him first show when we see how him thing said for pull the crowd. See, and when you look, Massacre de on the show. MAVADO de on the show. I don't de on the show. Them two big man them we can't put off Massacre cause Massacre thing not really staple that yet we could have say, but I don't and MAVADO thing. Man them are two big giant that in a game. You see me? And for that dep on the show is like people are gonna say, yo, how we are gonna know if Bounty can pull certain crowd or certain little things. You understand? But me I show you say, yo, I just be a hypocrite thing. But today, 2025, the man them link up. A KALID have to do it. KALID have to make it happen. You understand? Me don't know if nobody else could have make that happen or whatsoever. You see me? Yeah, man, me don't know. You see it? But I just say things said people. And we have to make the people them know what did I go on back then and far up to now. You see it? Yeah, man, the people them have to know what go on, man. You see me? But people that don't know, you know, yeah, man, a media facts, man. That is it.